Hey there, I'm Willa Williams with the Go Getter team, and we've got a question today. The question is, what are some tips we can use when we're making an offer? Well, the first big tip that I can tell you is definitely don't be emotionally attached to a property when you go by and you take a look at it. You definitely want to be into the property. You want to have some kind of feel that you feel connected, but you don't want to be emotionally attached. And the reason why is you never know what the seller is going to do. There are a couple of situations that could occur. One, you could have a seller who gets that offer on the first day and they're thinking like, well, if I've got this offer, I can get several more offers, maybe one even better. And then there's also that same seller who will get that first offer on the first day and say, I'm going to take this offer because I don't want to show my property anymore. And you never know who's going to be on the other side of that. So if you're emotionally attached and you're really drawn to the property, you really could put yourself in a compromising situation where you lose, you overpay for it, because sometimes sellers overprice properties and they're being unrealistic. So you want to be very careful about that. You definitely want to love it. At the same time, you want to be emotionally unattached. The second thing that I would tell you is when you see a multiple offer situation, don't let yourself get too stressed out about it. There are going to be other people out here looking at properties just like you, and they're going to see a great property and want to make an offer on it. A lot of times I'll have people who will make multiple offer situations and they'll be completely tight about the whole thing. And I always tell you, it's just a home buying process. If you found one you like, you're definitely going to find another you like. But the other part about that is, and this is my bonus step for you, is you definitely want to make sure you take action. If you see something you like, you don't want to think about it too long because there are other people out there who are looking. And you could put yourself in a multiple offer situation, which can be stressful if you let it be. So you want to make sure you definitely don't get too emotionally attached. Don't get stressed out in multiple offer situations, and remember to take action. And definitely take action when you're thinking about subscribing to our video. Click subscribe, make sure you comment below, and if you have any questions, we'd love to answer them for you.